In this video, I will show you how to install Instagram on your Windows PC. So let's go right to the method. Right-click on Start icon and select Search. Type Microsoft Store and select it from the results. Up here, in the search bar, you will type Instagram and select Instagram here. Click on the Instagram here and select Get or Install. Wait until the app being installed. When done, select Open. Click on Allow, then allow all cookies, or decline optional. And all you need to do next is to enter your username and password here, and you will be in your Instagram profile. I hope that this video was useful to you, and if it was, please hit that like button, and consider to subscribe with the bell on for more useful tutorials. Until next video, stay safe, and I'll see you all.